Okay, today we are looking at this great song by The Beautiful South. This is Rotterdam, round about 7 or 8 chords, and we are in standard tuning. This is really, really good fun to play, and this is another request from my members area on my site. Let's get in tune, let's delve right in. Right, okay, let me give you a rundown of the chords first of all. We are going to be playing a C, F major 7. We're also going to be using a G. We've also got A minor. We're going to have a G7. We're also going to have an E7. Okay, so there's a handful of chords there, but I'll brush on as we go now. This first part, the intro, again, we're strumming this today, but there is that, which is really, really lovely to play. But today I'm just looking at a strummed version. Okay, so if you're up for strumming, please stick around. Now we're going to play C and F major 7 together, like so. Now I'm trying to get that sort of effect of the picking part in the strumming motion, hitting half a bar on the C, and then coming on the up strike on that F major 7. But then I'm taking my first finger away on that C, creating that C major 7th sound, which again is like the picky part. Onto that F major 7 on the up strike as well. So I find that that's really distinctive coming on the up strike on the F major 7 and just creates that similar nod to the picking part of the song, okay? That's your intro, it's also the verse. So try and keep that going. Keeps going. Now then, we're then going to go to this bridge part, okay? Now we're going to play a G. So we've got more of a straighter rhythm now. The whole place is pickles. The people are pickles for sure. Then it goes 2 on the A minor or half a bar. So you have G. So it's a bar and a half on G, half a bar on A minor, okay? Or you could count that, but for me I like to go. Then it goes to G. Then C to E7. Then you're into Rotterdam or anywhere. So that part, and I'll just go through it once more, okay, and I'll go a little bit slower and I'll sort of say what I'm playing. Again, full sheet on my site below, click the link that'll take you to this lesson and all the paperwork for it and a ton of other things. Please go check it out. And if you're here on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button. Okay, so you have the whole place is pickled. The people are pickles for sure. Then back to G. But then C, then E7. This could be, I bet you were at home going, Rotterdam. Just one of those things, it gets into your ear, okay? E7, if you're not sure, it's an E chord without your third finger, okay? E, E7. You can play E if you don't fancy the E7, but it's actually easier because it's one less finger, okay? So, that takes you to your chorus. So we've got the first part, the second part, now this is your chorus. Now the chorus, we start at A minor, Rotterdam or anywhere, Liverpool or Rome, Rotterdam is anywhere. So you've got this sort of bounce half a bar A minor to C 3 times, Rotterdam or anywhere, Liverpool or Rome, Rotterdam is anywhere. Now then you hit this anywhere, we're going to hit a G7, okay? So after that, we're going to go. So you hang on this G7, okay? And we've got that for a couple of bars, and then you're back into that, okay? So if we try that together from the A minor, then I'll go back to the bridge and into the chorus, and then we can look at all 3 parts, okay? So, again, if you're a fan of The Beautiful South, comment below, let me know what other songs by them you would like me to teach, or let me know what it is that you're practicing. Comment below. From the A minor after 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, Rotterdam or anywhere, Liverpool or Rome, Rotterdam is anywhere, anywhere alone. Stay on the G7, C. got 3 parts. Okay, so what we'll do, and I'd like you to try and play along at home. Again, if you think this is going too quick, I say on most of my videos, don't forget you can pause it and go back. And again, ask me a question if you're struggling. So let's try this together. We'll just try a bit of the verse, we'll go into the bridge, then we'll go into the chorus together, and you can go away and work on it and get it into your repertoire of songs. Always goes down well, does this song, okay? So after 4, a 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's your intro. Now your verse. Now what I'll do, let's go the whole place is pickled. The people are pickled, sure. Back to G, C, E7, chorus. G, G7, back. Okay. So I'm looking at a strum friendly version there. I will within a bit of time get to this part, but I've been asked to do a player friendly version. I like to do that with a lot of songs. I teach a lot of intermediate players where they might find something a little bit too advanced, so we look at a strummed or a capoed version of songs. I certainly did a lot of that in my early 20s, going out and gigging every Friday, Saturday night. I'd always try and look for a sort of a simpler way to strum something if I found it a little bit too complicated, so I've moved that into my teaching. So, hope you have fun with that. Thank you for liking and supporting these videos, it's very much appreciated. And if you want to see my site, click the link below, and again, please subscribe onto my channel. Very, very close to 1,000 subscribers now. Thank you, I'll see you again soon for another video.